What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 4Runner Streets. Today I'm going to show you how to switch out your fog lights, or the bulbs at least, to have HID bulbs. As you can see, this one's bright white, this one's just kind of yellow. So yeah, I bought my lights on Amazon for like $7. It's a really easy thing to do to switch them out. So here's the new bulb. Carefully. So I'm doing the fog lights, then I bought the brights and the just normal lights. So there'll be the fog lights that are going to be switched out, the headlight, and then your brights. But lost the packaging. Sorry, it's windy out today. So yeah, here's the stock, here's the new. So it's pretty easy to get to these. You just need to go under your car. Right, and it's just located right there. So you're gonna want to turn it. Let's see if I can turn it. It's hard with one hand. Let's see. Can't get a good grip on it. So as you can see, turning it, my thumb going away from me, and then it pops out. So as you can see, there's the light. So how you're gonna want to get it out is press down on this tab right here, but the back end of it, let's just pull out. So yeah, that's all you really do is press down and then pull out. And then if you're wanting to lock in the fog light again, kind of get it in there until it's in, and then you'll turn it towards you. So get it placed in again and then turn it towards you like that. So to get it loose, push it away. Once you get it lined up again, twist it back. So yeah, and then you just want to press on that back end tab right there. As you can see, there's the little connection spot, and then yeah, it should just come out. So that's how you change out your fog lights on a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. Super simple, super easy. And like I said, just press on the tab back there. The light will come out. It's a little bit tough, but it takes a little time to do it. But yeah, it's not super difficult. But yeah, hopefully you like this video. If you found it useful, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you for watching 4Runner Streets.